Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic REST commander tutorial how to bold text. So for example, I will create text. You can type text, enter, and I will create in here. You can type like Mufasuket, and another text I will set into example. Now if you want to bold this text, you can type text style, press enter, and after it you can change for the format into bold. After it you can click apply and OK. Now the text will be automatically bold. If you want to only select the text, one text to bold, you need to create from the multi-text type mtext, press enter, and I will create here for the text objects. You can set for height, like I will set into 10. Now you can tap Mufasuket, and if you want to bold, you can sort and then click this icon to bold the text. Click OK to apply. I will create again mtext in here. You can uncheck for bold. I will set into 20 for the text height and set Mufasuket for the name. Click OK. So if you want to bold, you can double click to edit, sort, and then you can click bold tools and click OK again. Okay, that's it for basic REST commander tutorial how to bold text. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.